Welcome to my channel. This is the Competitive Challenge YouTube channel. I welcome all of you. This is the part 2. I already have uploaded the first part, which covers the three important topics. Then in this video I am going to cover you Wavell Plan and Shimla Conference and Cabinet Mission Plans, the some initial points of Cabinet Mission Plan. So this is the topic, the post 1945 development, partition and independence. So under this topic, the following points I will cover. Already the fear formula Gandhiji Natak, and Desai-Liaquat Pact, I covered it to the first video, part 1, and in this video I covered the Wavell Plan Cabinet Mission. Clear? So first, the Wavell Plan and Shimla Conference. Okay, let's see. The Wavell Plan came into exist in 1945. Clear? And he was the Viceroy of India, Lord Wavell. After the Desai-Liaquat Pact, Jinnah Gandhi Pact, fear formula, all were failure that time. And in that situation, the Lord Wavell, the viceroy of that time in India, wanted to end. Yes, this is the word Lord Wavell. He wanted to end the constitutional deadlock. Okay, he seriously wanted to change the political unrest at that time. So he called the leaders of all the political parties at Shimla to discuss various issues. That is called the Shimla Conference. Shimla Conference was held in 1945. This is very important, and the Shimla Conference was called by Lord Wavell, and all important political parties members met in this conference, in this meeting. So following 3 points I am going to discuss about the Shimla Conference. The first point, the proposed to leave the Executive Council completely accepting Commander-in-Chief. So Lord Wavell assured the political parties that all the members of the Executive Council totally left, only except Commander-in-Chief, and then to give the equal representation of the Muslim and Hindus in the council. That is the very important point, to give the equal representation of the Muslim and Hindus in that council. But it is remarkable that that time the number of the Hindus are more than that of the Muslim in some provinces, in some areas. But here said that the to give the equal representation to the Muslim and Hindus in the council. Third, and this process was going on till a new constitution is formed. So Lord Wavell seriously wanted to form a constitution for New India. Okay, but this is totally failure. Lord Wavell was failure. Failure because unreasonable attitude of the Muslim League. Why? Because the Jinnah wanted that the Muslim members of Executive Council should be chosen only from League, not Congress. You all know that the Congress had that time many Muslim members. Okay, so when some seats were reserved for the Muslim, so the Muslim members of the Congress uh, should choose this seat, but the League totally refused that proposal. The Jinnah only wanted that only the members of the League should cover the reservation seat of Muslim. Okay, and the no other members of the Congress should choose the reservation seat of Muslim. So this is the very unfortunate situation that time, but the constitution was important to form, but interim government was important to form at that situation, but Congress and Jinnah did not want to do together. Next, the cabinet mission plan. uh, in this video I just discuss the background of the cabinet mission plan, and in the following videos I will discuss gradually the cabinet mission and other important topic. So the background, the cabinet mission plan came in front of us in 1946. So in this topic, I just covered the two election. Okay, it is the background. The general election of England was held in 1946. At that time, the Labour Party under the Sir Attlee won, but the Conservative Party under Churchill was defeated by the Sir Attlee. That time, the Sir Attlee became a new Prime Minister in England, and Sir Attlee seriously wanted to give freedom to India. Okay. Next, at that situation, also the general election of India was held that time. Clear? And the general election was held. The both of the assembly, the legislative assembly at center and the provincial assembly. The legislative assembly, the Congress secured only 57 seats and the League secured 30 seats. But it is remarkable that the League captured all reserved Muslim seats. It is very important that the League captured all the reserved seats of Muslim that Jinnah wanted most. Okay. And in the provincial sector, in the provincial assembly, the Congress secured 923 seats and the League secured 425 out of Muslim quota 492. Clear? So, in 1946, the two elections were held. One is in England and other is in India. And Sir Attlee became the new Prime Minister in England. So the better performance of the Muslim League, I am going to discuss you. So the first general election was held in 1937 and second general election was held in 1946. In the first election, the League got only 109 seats out of 492 seats. But in the second election, the 946, which was held in 946 recently at that time, the League got 425 seats out of 492 seats. So it is clear that the Muslim League increased its seats. So how many seats are increased? 425 minus 109, that is the 316 into 100 and total seat হচ্ছে 492. So how many seats increased? 64%. So Muslim League did the better performance. It increased 64% of vote. Clear? So now today the lessons is over. I continue this lesson